For this first project, I chose to use a Google Classroom setup. I've also chosen to use the BrainPop Junior website to show a video to go along with my lesson. I'm also using a random number generator, as you can see here. And so for the first part of the project, for the lesson, I would have my students log into the Google Classroom. Here they would find my post of the assignment. I have it numbered so that they know what to do first, second, third, and so on. First, they would watch the even and odd video with the link here. They would just click the link to follow to this page. After watching this video, they could either go to the easy quiz, which they could find here in this link, or they could go back to their Google Classroom and click on the link here on the instructions. After they finish the easy quiz with their partner, they would stop and wait for my instruction. At this point, I would have the class come onto into a class discussion on even and odd numbers, where I would display this chart on the smart board, and this is where the number generator comes in. So as this is displayed on the smart board, we would use this random number generator to generate a random number. They would then decide whether this number is even or odd, and I would have them come up one at a time to the smart board and write the number in either of the columns. After this, I would have them return back to their desk. If they would like to log in and go to the hard quiz on the BrainPop Junior website, they could log in here and go back, use this link to go to the quiz, or they could access the quiz here on the website just by clicking the link for the video. After they finish the quiz and raise their hand for me to come check their progress and their results and log their grades, they would then return to the Google Classroom here and create a post for their classmates, which I'm actually logged into a fake student account on this classroom. So here they would go up here and create the post. For instance, my favorite number is 6. This number is an even number. I know this is even because it can be divided by 2. After they've written out their post, they would click post, and you could see here that they have created a post for everyone, including myself as the teacher, to see. Now, as the student, I would create this post, and for homework, I would have been instructed to go onto another classmate's post and add a comment. So I would just click on the one that I want to comment on, click underneath it, and for homework, let's just say that we were told to create a number sentence that has the favorite number of their classmate as the answer. So I would say a number sentence for, let's see, a number sentence for your number would be 3 plus 3 equals 6. They would click on this arrow to post their comment, and I would be able to see each person's post as well as their classmates' comments to each. This would create collaboration from each one of our students. And I could easily go back to my original post with the instructions to make sure that each student followed the instructions on the criteria for their post.